Everyone, I'm Ellen Wieczorek, and I'm working on my master's in wildlife conservation and management, in addition to working on a graduate certificate in environmental geographic information science. After achieving my bachelor's in zoo science and a master's in environmental studies and sustainability, I wanted to find a way to pivot my career to focus on my passion for conserving wildlife. Unity's distance learning program has enabled me to work full-time as a zookeeper while learning about wildlife conservation and how zoos can work closely with conservation initiatives to conserve and reestablish wildlife populations. The coursework applies directly to my daily work and to the future of my career. The learning system at Unity is easy to use. The intuitive design of the courses really allow me to assess and gather knowledge. Once I've learned the various topics, I can apply it directly to my job. As well, the staff and instructors are amazing and supportive, listening to my career goals and discussing the best way for me to meet them. Unity College is the best school I've ever been to, and even though I'm online, I feel very much part of the Unity community.